Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Vodafone Superfast 2. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So in this box is Vodafone Superfast 2 Broadband Bundle. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by peeling the strip that allows us to open up the box neatly. And let's pop the box flap up to reveal the contents inside. So taking a direct look in the box and removing the paperwork and setting that to the side and giving you a look directly in the box once again, directly at the Vodafone Wi-Fi Hub. Let's pop it out from the box. So as you can see, it is very, very tightly fitted. But there we've managed to pop it out from its shipping box and just making sure nothing else is left behind. We can set that box to the side. And now taking a direct look at the Vodafone Wi-Fi Hub's box packaging, giving you a nice clear look all around. So what's in the box? There are some details on the underside of the box with diagrams of the contents of this Vodafone Wi-Fi Hub's box packaging. Now let's go ahead and open it up by cutting apart that seal that's keeping the box securely closed and lifting to reveal the contents inside. So there are some diagrams looking directly in the box packaging. And let's flip that out and see what else is in there. So there are some pamphlets inside, or booklets. So product safety information, as well as the Vodafone broadband setup guide. And flipping them to the backs and giving you a look right there. So let's set all these contents out, remove them from the box packaging, and then we can take a close-up look at these items in a bit. So continuing with the unboxing, we can see the Vodafone Wi-Fi Hub. Let's pop it out. And setting it down on the tabletop and continuing to remove the contents from the box packaging. So you can see a bundle of cables and whatnot. And now the box is emptied. We can set that to the side of the frame. Let's set it on the left hand side or right hand side of the frame and just setting the rest of the contents across the tabletop, so you have a nice full detailed view of the entire contents from this Vodafone Superfast 2 broadband bundle. Okay, so let's start off by first taking a look at the Vodafone setup guide. So it does spread out across several panels. So I'm going to slide the setup guide slowly across the screen or camcorder so you can see the various details that are involved in setting up this Vodafone Wi-Fi hub. So right there is one side of it, and flipping it to the back, there are the other details, such as what do the lights mean, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that is the setup guide. Let's move right along. There is, of course, that product information booklet as well. So just very quickly expanding that or stretching it out. And just giving you a quick look at the product safety information. And on the reverse side as well, we see some other details. Okay, so that's the product safety information. We can set that down, and moving right along, we do have the power adapter. Let's open up this packet. Reveal the power adapter and of course the cable length as well. So make sure we recycle that plastic bag thoughtfully, and now taking a close-up look at the power adapter for the Wi-Fi hub that comes with the Vodafone Superfast 2 broadband package or bundle. And close-up details right there with the specifications. And it does have the Vodafone logo on the back of the power adapter. So right there is the power adapter, and of course the connector pin end of it. So giving you a close-up look as best I can here. With the pin plug, UK power adapter. So 3-pin plug with a DC pin plug on the other end. Okay, so of course, not forgetting to undo the cable tie to give you an idea of the cable length. So always requires some effort in undoing this cable, or these power adapter cables, because they're always so neatly wound. But right there, to give you some idea of the cable length of the power adapter for the Vodafone Wi-Fi hub. So okay, pretty reasonably long. So setting that down and moving on to the next item, we do of course have several other items. So we do have the phone line cable, networking cable, and trying my best to get it to focus. So right there, and of course the filter as well, the DSL filter. And of course, lastly and mainly, the Vodafone Wi-Fi Hub, which is a Red Dot Design Award winning product. And it does have this flat grey or matte grey finish, as you can see, with a nice brushed Vodafone logo in the middle. And size-wise, giving you some idea of the size, placing my hand on the front panel of it. So they're giving you some sense of the size of this Vodafone Wi-Fi Hub. So taking a look right round as well at the various details of this Wi-Fi Hub and the connectors or ports at the back of the hub. So right there, giving you a closer up look. And there are some mounting points as well at the back, should you wish to hang your hub up. And there is a USB port right there on the side, which is covered with this cap. And some other details at the bottom or base, with a sticker on the underside with the various details. So right there, giving you a full and thorough look up close of this Vodafone Wi-Fi Hub. It comes included with the Vodafone Superfast 2, and just setting it down to give you various looks at this Wi-Fi hub. So I'm just going to tidy up the tabletop so everything is in nice clear view. So right there, a nice complete view of this Vodafone Wi-Fi hub. Now giving you various aspects of this hub with my hands out of the way. And taking a look at the front bottom of the stand or base, there are some indicator labels right across the front, as we can see right there, with the power, internet, phone, mobile and Wi-Fi. And now let's see how it performs running the internet speed test.